Next is the describe the general settlement pattern that are shown in the extract of the topo sheet. So mainly they are scattered type, or you can say the isolated type. Small settlement are also there. Name at least one man-made features and in each of the following. So you have the grid reference. In this grid, your grid reference are given. You have to select what are the man-made features that are present here. Like grid 8192 and 8199 I am showing you. Okay, so 8192. So where it is, students? This is 81 and okay. So okay. So this is 81 and 92. 81 and this is 92. Okay, so one man-made feature means this grid. Man-made feature, you can say it will be a settlement or any other. Like you have the 8199, like you have the 81 and where is the 99, students? Here. So this portion. So we will also discuss the various features. Like if you have these features from the conventional symbols, what are the symbols of charts, spring, contour lines? Okay, and what I was discussing was this I have discussed. This is the settlement and grid square 8199. So where it is 8199, some man-made features I was talking about. So this is 81 and this is the 99. So this grid, name some man-made feature. So the major man-made features found here is the settlement, human settlement. But settlement everywhere you will have the settlements. So it will be better to write any other. So you have the PO or the you have the post office, and you have the PS means the police station. So all of these are the man-made features that you have there. Any other question like number 10, you have the grid square this much. So whatever the grid square are given, you have to go through the grid. Like in this grid you have some river and sandbar I am giving, and in this like 8195 there are some bank erosion. I am showing you 81 and 95. So this is 81 and this is 95. So this is the grid. At first you should have to know what is the grid. So this one is the grid. So these features is called the embankment. Some gullies are there or the river erosion is there. You can easily depict it out. Another question here, you have the 7795 and 8199. So you have the 77, this is the 77 and this is the 95. So this grid. So these are some, you can easily say there are some non-perennial river. So one natural or physical feature, if you have the natural or physical feature, in the previous question you had the man-made feature, and in this question you have the physical or natural feature. So you can say some non-perennial river is there, and here also vegetation is there. So these are some physical feature, you could have a better idea. Or some direction sense, if you have the question with the direction sense, so place A is there, place B is there, what is the direction of place A to place B? Okay, like you have the question like 11:1, so 0.263, so what is the direction? 2.200, open jungle. So 11B, like sorry, so in the map you have this is in the southwest direction, this is in the northeast direction, and last one we have the northwest direction. How it is? Open jungle 80912 to 8497. Okay, now we will find it. So 8091, at first we have the 80 and then we have the 91, where it is, students? So this is the open jungle, and another one is the open scrub 8497. So where it is? It is in the open scrub is in this place, and this is the open jungle. Okay, in this. So what is the direction open jungle from open scarp? So this is open scarp and this is open jungle. So this is the south and this is the west. You can say this is the southwest direction. In the same limekiln that found in 8397 to Mahudi Mati to 7992. So the limekiln that are found 8397 is here limekiln, and Mahudi Mati that are found in this place. Okay, so what is limekiln direction from this? So this is north and this is east. You can say the direction will be northeast. And another is the Kuchawara 7794 to Ganodara 8292. So where it is, students? So this is the Kuchawara village and this is the Ganodara village. So what is the direction of Kuchawara? Kuchawara is, this is north and this is west. So from this region, this is in the northwest. You can easily write down the direction. In the same way, question number 12b, you have the village Mahudi Nani and village Santawara. How much is the distance? So the village Mahudi Nani is this village Mahudi Nani. Okay, Mahudi Nani village is there and Santawara village is there. So how much is the distance? Okay, this is Mahudi Nani and this is Santawara. So just put a scale from here to here. Okay, just this is this village and this village, put a scale and take the distance. Near about it is 8 semi. Okay, just do it on your own. It is 8 semi. But in the land distance, how much it would be, student? Because 2 semi that represents 1 km on ground. So 8 semi that represents 4 km on ground. So the distance from this to this would be 4 km. Okay, students, here we will end this discussion and also discuss many other parts in the next class. So practice it by your own. Thank you.